Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make tech tips super easy and fun. Today I'm going to show you how to insert checkboxes in Microsoft Word. Whether you are creating a to-do list, a survey, or just organizing your thoughts, this trick is going to make your life so much easier. Let's get started. First, open up your Microsoft Word and create a new document. And here you can see there is no developer options here. Go to File. Here, click on Options. And from this page, click on Customize Ribbon. And from here, go down and check on Developer. Here you have an developer option. Now click OK. Now you can see there is the Developer tab enabled here. Click on Developer. And if you hover in there, you can see the icon named Checkbox Content Control. Click on it, and here a checkbox is added. If you click, the checkbox is showing if it is okay or not. And some of us don't want this cross in the checkbox, rather they want the check mark. For that, go to Properties and go to Change. And here, click on the check mark box. Click OK. And click OK again. And if you click here now, you will see the checkbox marked checked. If you click on it, and there you have it. You have just learned how to insert checkboxes in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy checkboxing!